Welcome back to my channel today, Ageless Beauty Nation, and in today's video we're doing a skincare and a makeup tutorial. This is the look that I will be achieving, and we're only using natural skincare for skin cleanser and moisturizer and 5 items for makeup. So we're starting from scratch here, and I have my rotating brush and my natural skin cleanser and moisturizer. I'm going to do my brows today too. So we're getting started with the natural soapless skin cleanser by Her2 Beauty Bar, and I'll leave it down in the comment section if you want to check it out. But I absolutely love this. It's all natural. It has aloe, vitamin A and C. It also has willow bark extract in it, which is good for wrinkles and anti-aging. And I'm using my massage brush as well. I like the way that it feels. It really gives a nice massage to the skin as it helps with deep cleansing. And then the skin cleanser, being that it's soapless, is very moisturizing, but it also has the cleansing effects in it as well. Soap tends to dry out the skin, but because this has no soap, it's so much more different, and I absolutely love it because soap tends to kind of make my skin itchy and dry, and I don't like that. So I'm absolutely loving this all natural soapless skin cleanser. So now I'm ready to rinse. Just regular lukewarm water that I'm rinsing my face with to really cleanse off the cleanser. And I'm gonna pat dry my skin. I don't like to, like a heavily, how some people maybe drag the towel across their face. I like to pat dry so I won't irritate the skin. It's really clean, make my skin look smooth. Now I'm ready to use the all natural moisturizer. I only need just a little bit, and I'm rubbing it in really well in my palms before I apply it. And if you notice, I'm rubbing it in an upward motion. I remember about 20-25 years ago, I remember speaking with this older woman at the time, and she told me how she kept her skin looking so young, and one of those things was rubbing the skin in an upward motion instead of downward. You don't want to pull downward on the skin, because remember, we lose elasticity, as we get older, so you don't want to pull down on the skin. So now I'm going to do my brows. I'm just getting rid of the little hairs and shaping the outline of the brow. I've been doing this since I was 16 years old. Sometimes my mom even still calls and say, hey, I need you to come over and do my brows. So I absolutely, love this method. I'm not a fan myself of threading and things like that. It irritates my eyebrows and makes them swell. But I absolutely love it. No, nothing wrong with anybody else who chooses to do that. It's just not my preference. But I wanted to clean it up and get ready to put on my makeup. So now it's time to put on makeup, and I'm only using 5 items. The No More Blemish Powder by Ruby Kisses. I have 2 lip glosses by Wet n Wild. And then I have a black thin liner and a brown thicker liner. So I'm applying this No Blemish powder on my face. I absolutely love this one. I think it's called Almond. I'll put it down in the comment section on what the actual color is. But I actually like this one because it's not too heavy. And then I'm going to actually shape my brows and fill them in just like I like it. Just to enhance it a little bit. I mean, I do have eyebrows, but I want to enhance it a little bit with the arch that I have already, shaped them into. Also, too, you will notice that my left eyebrow is a little bit higher than my other eyebrow, and mainly what that is when I was 12, I had a little incident as a child where I had some damage to that brow area, that brow bone at the top a little bit, but that's okay. I embrace it. I'm cool with it. But I still like the effect of the fact that I'm able to you know, still wear my eyebrows as cute as I want to. So I'm putting on liner with the small black liner on my waterline. And I don't put it heavily, especially if I'm just doing a simple glamour look, which is what this is. I tend not to wear too much makeup or foundation, as you probably noticed with the powder, because as you get older, a lot of times the foundations and stuff can show lines unless you really have a very, very expensive or high quality type makeup. I prefer, you know, something light and easygoing, so I don't put much. And then back to what I'm saying with the liner, I'm putting it now on my lash line, kind of giving a little bit extra glamour look. By doing that, I actually like to do this from time to time. It tends to make my eyes pop, the color of them, that is. And got look like a little bit of a little wing tip there, so I thought that was kind of cute. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply a little bit of color on my skin. That's by Bare Minerals. I like their products. This is the medium deep, and I use this as a blush. I have high cheekbones, so I like to accentuate that aspect. So I'm just applying a little bit to give me a little bit of color on my cheekbones. And then I also tend on my brow bone and on my eyelid, like to put a little bit there for eye color. You know, I can get into the smoky eyes and things like that when I want to, but just something soft and light. And I'm putting some on my chin as well. Just like to apply it on my my brow bone, eyelid, cheekbones, and my chin. So we're good there. So now I'm going to try the first of the two Wet n Wild colors. I used my thicker brown liner as a lip liner. To me, it's universal. So no matter what color you go, you know, whether it's a light silvery color or even a dark matte lipstick, that tends to work for me. I don't know about anybody else. But we're going to try the, I think it's the beige one. I'll put the names of the colors of those Wet n Wild lip glosses in the description if you want to check them out. But I actually, you know, I kind of like this color. You guys, you know, put down in the comments on which color you prefer or you think is kind of cute on me. And then, you know, I'll tell you which one is my favorite. So this is the second of the two liners. This one has more of a rosier tone. The other one was more of a beiger, brownish, light brownish tone. I'm reapplying that liner with that brown thick liner. And then I'm going to apply the second color by Wet n Wild. This one is kind of cute too. You know, I guess it depends on what I wear. I think I like the other one, but this one, because of the off-the-shoulder top that I have on, I think this one fits better. I like them both. They both have a glittery tone to it as well. So if you kind of want that little bit of shine to it and everything, I really like that one. Kind of fixing my hair, blast finishing touches, and I am good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. This is the look that I have obtained with this, with the skincare we did today and with the makeup tutorial that we did. And if you want more information about Her Two Beauty Bar skin products, they are vegan, all natural. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.